Yes, Beamable was significantly better. And so I'll talk about what I was able to do on Excel and what I was able to do on Beamable, for example. Excel allowed me, well, there were a couple pieces to the exercise. It was identify what work gets done. It was identify which part of this work that is being done is strategically important with the new go forward strategy. Then identify who finds this work energizing and how does it match with career aspirations. And then the last piece was, and so now how do I organize, like from an org perspective, these three pieces with what I've learned. I was only able to do the third cut in Excel, which was here's the team member, here's the work at the top, the jobs to be done, and then I filled in a matrix for myself based on interviews with the team where I thought that would land. But as you can imagine, this introduces all sorts of bias. It's my perception versus the individual, the employee giving in this perspective. So it's all of those pieces. Excel, I was tackling one piece and I ended up being wrong. Beamable allowed for all of those four pieces: the work, the alignment with the strategic intent, the alignment with the energizing view, and then providing really an interface where I could design and move folks around. And that was very powerful.